Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. Since anger is luminous as being an uncontrived dimension, even the blazing tongues of firelight in hell do not cause any real suffering, for they are none other than this uncontrived dimension. When pride is luminous as a God that we actually see, our pleasures, happiness, and sorrows are distinct, but there is no duality in their uncontrived circumstance. They are spontaneously perfected in a condition of non-duality. The possessions of humans on the 4 continents are determined through applications of desire and craving. Both happiness and suffering are the sorrows of samsara, even though they are non-dual in their self-evident conditions. They are perfected in the heart essence of self-luminous wisdom. We may fall into life as an animal, by force of being darkened and shadowed by ignorance. But we do not live in any real suffering. We are perfected in the wheel of this awareness. Through the fruition of the bonds and attachments of avarice, we become impoverished with regard to food and possessions, and the things that we desire are not attractive, while, actually, things are not this way. It is by force of the cruel viciousness of jealousy that we suffer wars, disputes, and fights in their natural self-occurrence. Things are not this way. We are perfected in the wheel of self-luminous awareness, in the dominion of the Dharma. The unborn basis of all things, the self-luminescence of awareness, is associated with the 9 treasuries. The 9 jeweled spaces are luminescent in our hearts. Self-abiding awareness is perfected in this treasure. The Dharma treasure that is uncontrived and is not complicated is a mound of precious jewels that brings us everything. The sky's circumstance is to be without expansion or obstruction. This is proclaimed in the Dharma treasury on the base of all things. The 5 elements do not come about due to any essential reality. Their reality arises from out of itself. It is all-encompassing, totally active, and abides in all things. This is the treasury of the sky, wherein the 5 elements are born and move. The embodiment of the Dharma is pure like the sky. The river of its assorted blessings is undammed. It brings everything together in a state of self-luminescence. This is the treasury of the blessings of the embodiment of the Dharma. It is not to be seen. It is self-luminous, and has no planetary concern.